Hello and welcome to Mediacafe Travel. Be sure to subscribe at the red button below or on the bottom right hand corner of this video. Also, like this video and share this video and comment on the video. Today we're going to make a visit to Yardbird at the Venetian. Now we covered Yardbird in a previous video last year, but we liked it so much that we had to go again on our recent trip. The full name is actually Yardbird Southern Table and Bar, and they have many locations, including Los Angeles, Miami, Dallas, even Singapore, in addition to their Las Vegas location, as well as a location coming soon to Washington, D.C. Now, Yardbird is an award-winning restaurant that prides itself in farm-fresh ingredients and classic Southern cooking. It's also known for an excellent bourbon selection if you are a bourbon fan. Now, you may notice that this time there were quite a few more people at the restaurant than last time, and that's probably for two reasons. Because this time we did dinner on a Friday night rather than a weekday lunch. But also, it shows you that things are really picking up in general in Las Vegas. Let's talk about the food. First, one of the best things they serve is their brisket biscuits. They have chicken biscuits too, crispy chicken biscuits, but the brisket biscuits are absolutely delicious. We get it as an appetizer, and as you can see, they're very thick in terms of brisket that you get on the biscuit, and the good sized biscuit at that. So the biscuits are very tasty. Another appetizer is the fried green tomatoes, and it's really a fried green tomato BLT because they do add bacon to it as well as lettuce and tomato on top. What I will say about fried green tomatoes is I actually prefer fried green tomatoes with a lighter batter than this. So this batter is pretty thick. Nothing against these. These are tasty. Bacon's good. The lettuce and tomatoes good. But I actually prefer a lighter batter. So I may have to find a different delicious appetizer next time. Next, let's talk about the cornbread. As good as the brisket biscuits are, my favorite item at Yardbird is actually the skillet cornbread. I definitely think it's the best cornbread that I've had, and there are a lot of places with good cornbread. The butter just melts into it and makes it amazing. I mean, I can't really express how good this cornbread is. I could eat this whole skillet of cornbread, and it's a big skillet. Uh, Next, we'll talk about the ribs. These are smoked ribs, and they keep the smoke in the ribs until they bring it to your table. As you can see, it's a cool effect. These St. Louis style pork ribs are really tasty, very meaty, delicious, delicious. Can't say enough about these. Yardbird may be known more for its chicken, but these ribs are very tasty, and I love the presentation, keeping the smoke in the cover like that. So this is certainly something worth trying if you're at Yardbird. So as a side, they have bread and butter fried okra, as you would expect from a southern cooking restaurant. This okra is nice and crispy, and the okra is fairly large. It's almost comparable to having a jumbo shrimp versus popcorn shrimp when it comes to okra, regular okra. And this is actually very tasty as well. Another side that isn't as typical for Southern cooking is the Southern street corn, which is made with cheese and chipotle crema, as well as having Fresnos and bacon inside as well. And this is a very solid side, actually. And so, corn obviously is a Southern staple, but street corn is kind of a twist on the Southern staple. So now for the main attraction of Yardbird, which is the fried chicken. This is Llewellyn's Fine Fried Chicken, which is a half chicken portion, and it's very, very good fried chicken. You can also get the whole bird portion if you like, or you can get it as chicken and watermelon and waffles. All are good options depending on your appetite, but this is what they're famous for. Great fried chicken, and I have to say it is very good. No complaints. One thing I will say is that all the restaurants that we included birthday as the occasion in the notes when we made the reservation, Yardbirds was one of the few that actually made note of it. As you can see, they gave us their signature deep fried Oreo as a special birthday dessert. Also, those napkins are unusually soft, so we asked to take them home, and they sold us one to take home with our leftovers. We hope you enjoyed this look at Yardbird Southern Table and Bar, And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video from Mediacafe Travel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.